guys, welcome back to Latoria Designs and Decor. I am Latoria. So today I am doing a black and white wall gallery. I have been wanting to do this for so long, and I wasn't quite sure where I wanted to put it at, if I wanted to do it behind me and just take down the wallpaper. But I thought about my staircase. I thought that would be really cool to have something black and white go up. Because last week, as you know, I did the wall lights over 3 pictures for my children, and that just turned out so well. So I went to IKEA and I got some picture frames that fit for my home. Of course, they're affordable. And then Staples, I've got some prints out there, and I got multiple ones that didn't cost me a lot either. So this is very budget friendly, and it's not technical or anything like that, but it's very daring to me because it's my family, and I think this is going to be really, really exciting. And I know my kids are going to love it when they actually see it. So I'm excited about that. But guys, I want to thank you for joining me, and if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back. If you like content such as home decor, DIYs, furniture flips, home organization, and lifestyle, this is your channel. You can also check me out at Latoria Designs Decor on Instagram. You get a lot of behind the scenes or just day-to-day things that I am doing and small projects there, guys. So let's jump into this DIY. Okay, they have this one here. This one is cute. This is the frame. I like that. The wall here that I will be placing the black and white wall gallery on, and it goes all the way up. I'm not quite sure if you guys can tell, but it's a tall, pretty tall wall, and I'm thinking about this area right in the center here. Doing three rows of frames, and I'm going to use, of course, a template of this brown paper here, and of course I'm going to use the painter's tape, the blue one, to actually give me a template on the wall that will actually help me place the measurements of how I want to, so I'm not moving the pictures around or putting in nails before it's too soon. This will probably, well, I know it will help as a template to do that. And you can get this paper from the Dollar, I believe I got this from Dollar Tree, if I'm not mistaken, and this is a lot, so yeah, doesn't cost much. Since I had 2 different frame types, I'm going to have to do 2 different templates for the wall, because I like this, like the shadow box kind, and then they had these as well, and I got 3 of these and 6 of these. I like how this look, because you can go either way, but I'm going to have to do another template for this one. 5-year-old who just touches everything, and I feel like I need to touch up the wall. So I have my paint on deck. I always keep this on handy because I have light walls, and I have a 5-year-old and 2 10-year-olds, but it's normally my 5-year-old who gets the best of this wall right here. So I'm going to touch that up again, so it can look more presentable and pretty. Want to do this wall. I painted it over, and then I kept looking at it, and I think I'm going to do this wall. I already started, well, like not already started, but I placed it up there to see, and I think it's going to actually look better on this wall, especially when you're walking up the steps versus this wall, because it's so like it's tall, but then it cuts off right here, and I just think this wall right here is just going to be better for the gallery wall. And being as though the wall just goes all the way up, there's nothing really cutting it off or anything of that nature. So I think it's going to be more of an eye catcher on this side of the wall. So yeah, let's see how this looks. But I'm starting the template. It's probably a little crooked right now, but and I had to patch up some little small holes over there. But I think this wall is going to be better. So let's see. this is an area underneath of the gallery wall. I took the frames that were right here off because I want to do some black frames, and I want to fill this vase right here, just to fill in the entire look on this wall, just going up and down. So I purchased some things from Target. These vases, they're like some mini vases from Target, from the Target Bullseye section, excuse me. And because I wanted to place these faux stems here in these different color patterns and stems on that table that I just showed you. Something simple and a couple of frames to finish off the look.